What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video, Zed Monopoly. Guys, it's been a while since we made a video on this topic. I want to talk about the 2 legit proven ways of making money in 2019. Now guys, many of you watching, you probably Googled this or YouTube this, how to make money online, and you'll probably get a lot of results for that. People pitching you things, pulling things out of their booty and pitching it to you when they don't even do it personally. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to pitch things that I do personally, because I said this before, the fastest route or road to success is through replication. Replicating someone who's already ahead of you and has already proved to you where the money is, and all you have to do is replicate. So if you're here, and let's just get that fact straight, guys. If you're here because you thought I'm going to talk about making money quick, then you're wrong. Let me break your heart. If you have that baby mindset, that's what I call it, the baby mindset, you will always be taken advantage of in life. You will always be the person that is always losing money, because that mindset is usually just gambling. We're not here because we want to gamble. We're here to create a career, and create financial freedom, establish a long-term thing that can sustain us. And that's why I'm making this video. I'm giving you those 2 streams of income, 2 ideas that can take you to the next. Screw surveys, screw websites, screw making $100 a year, right? That's making money quick. If that's what you want, that's okay. Right? But I'm talking to those that want to establish a career. Now, let's just get right into it, because I'm going to rant on. So, the first stream of income that I do personally, and that's how I made my first $250,000 within 6 months, is the stock market, right? Paper assets. That's what attracted me to this industry, right? The fact that I can liquidate a position quickly and see the money in my account, right? So within 15-20 minutes, I can make a day's salary. But there's a but to it. There's hard work, dedication, and grind, and a process and progress that I have to go through, which every single person has to go through. Everybody has to go through this if you want to, see consistency in the long term, which many people don't want to go through. And that's why many people are not where they want to be in life, because they have that baby mindset of making money quick. And when they don't make it quick, when they end up losing money, they stop. I don't want to do it anymore. Of course you don't want to do it anymore, because you had that mindset. You already knew what you wanted, and that's to make money as quick as possible. So obviously you don't want to put in time and hard work. So that's my first stream of income, and that's what I make money with, and that's how I make money until today. Okay, so that's one stream. If you don't want to be that person that trades stocks, let's put that to the side, let's push it, because that does take a skill. And the thing that I like about the stock market and why it's different from the rest is because that is actually a skill that many people have to learn, okay? So the second stream of income that a lot of you guys can establish today, and that actually links to what I do today. Now you'll notice I have a stock course for you guys. Now that stock course, I established it when I realized many people wanted to know what I knew. So I decided to sell it. And that is something that many people can do today, is selling. A caveman sold a rock to another caveman back in the day. And many people can do the same thing. Your favorite YouTubers, your favorite kind of celebrities are doing the same thing. Kylie Jenner selling her kits. So today, with the help of Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, you can actually sell things, whether it's physical products or digital products. Digital products is basically ebooks, courses, courses on cooking, on diet plans, on workouts, on whatever, beauty, etc., etc. And every single person watching can do those things. Every single person watching, right? With the help of Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Now you can forget about digital products and move on to physical products. Physical products, you can make money through dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or generally just selling with your inventory in your house through, Amazon or eBay, okay? Or plugging it into your social accounts. Now, what I'm frustrated about in this YouTube industry, where everybody's talking to you about how to make money, is that nobody's really telling you where the money is. And I'm going to tell you today, this video you're watching today, I can press monetize on it and I can make money through YouTube revenue, right? But when you're going to pitch things to the public, and this is my frustration, when you're going to pitch things to the public that you don't even do, but you're actually just making money from the YouTube video, then why don't you just say, this is how we make money, it's through YouTube. But if you look at the descriptions in many kind of YouTubers, and there's nothing wrong with that, by the way, don't think I'm salty here. No, I'm just saying, you can do the same thing. All you have to do is just start replicating, and that's why I said replication is the best thing you can do today. Replicate. Look in the description of many YouTubers, right? You'll notice there's affiliate links. I don't have it in my kind of comment section, because I don't need to affiliate for anything. There's affiliate links to businesses where you send customers or people watching to businesses. Businesses will sell the product to those people that you sent, and you get a cut, and that's how you make money. or you can just have your website or your course or whatever. And look, there's nothing wrong with selling, guys. I said this before. If you know something that I don't know, I will pay you to know what you know. And that's why nowadays I'm kind of pushing my course for you guys, because my course is teaching you guys how to trade stocks so you can make money within 15-20 minutes. And that's why I'm not ashamed of promoting it. You know, many people, when I say sell, 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 they say no. I'm embarrassed of selling. I'm embarrassed of selling. Why are you embarrassed? Are you embarrassed of making money? If so, go back to bed. Because I'm not, right? I'm not embarrassed. You shouldn't be embarrassed. What's embarrassing about selling? You don't want to be known as the person that sells. Screw that. It's time to sell, right? Promote. And that's why many people that think, hey, you know, course is this, course is that, selling is this, selling is a scam. There's no scam in making money, right? Obviously, when you don't know what you're talking about and you can't get a return on your investment, then this starts being somewhat of a waste of money. But 2 ways to make money, guys. Number 1, for me, paper assets. I trade stocks. You can trade cryptos. You can trade Forex. Or you can trade stocks. If so, it's on my channel. Have a look. That's what the channel's about. Number 2, you can go into selling, right? And you can sell through Instagram. You can sell through this. You can sell. And look, I'm only saying these is because these are streams of income that I have today, right? And obviously my course isn't expensive to sustain myself, so I don't sustain myself from just course. I basically make money through the stock market. That's how I sustain myself. Okay, so that's all I want to do in this video, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram at SimplyZ if you haven't already. Smash that like, and I hope you get some value. I hope you learn a thing or two, guys, and hopefully you learned where the money is. If it's not through the stock market for you guys, then it should be on YouTube. Establish your YouTube channel, establish your social media followings, and you'll realize there's multiple ways to make money online, whether it's through selling what you know or having affiliate links for people to buy things that you are wearing, like this kind of watch or this kind of t-shirt, etc., etc. And that's how to see your success, and that's how you establish streams of income. If you have anything here that I missed, put it in the comment section, because I don't believe there's another business idea out there that can take you and basically sustain you for the rest of your life, other than what I just said here, right? Through the internet, obviously. Right? You can talk about investing all day. Investing is a long-term thing. Unless you have adequate amounts of money, that's for you. Otherwise, investing is not for you, but swing trading could be for you, or day trading is for you. If trading is not for you altogether, then go into selling. Whether it's drop shipping, whether it's Amazon FBA, or whether it's digital products using your social followings, or actually Udemy. You don't need any followings. Udemy will do for you. There's multiple ways to make money when it comes to selling. Learn how to sell. That's my advice to you guys. Every single person watching that wants to know how to make money on the internet. Peace and love, guys. Just like always, I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget that like. That's the least you can do, guys. It's just to show appreciation, because don't ever forget the person that's telling you these things. Sheesh, man. You gotta show your boy some love.